So for those of you who are thinking, I will never get over this, I will never heal from this gaslighting, narcissistic abuse, all of that, you need to listen to this week's From Betrayal to Breakthrough episode on the podcast. I have one of our Transform members. Those are members who work with me. So they move through the 5 stages from betrayal to breakthrough in a short amount of time. And it's just, you'll hear the story about she had every reason to be bitter, resentful, angry, doubting herself, thinking she could never heal, and what she did to move through it. So I know from where you are right now, you may feel like, how in the world can I ever heal from this? And am I worthy? Am I lovable? Am I deserving? Am I this? Am I that? Yes, you are. And check out that episode so you can learn from someone else who did it. If she did it, you can do it too. I'm not saying it's easy. Healing from betrayal is maybe one of the hardest and most transformative things you'll ever do. It's worth it. There is a version of you so strong, so healthy, so healed, so whole on the other side of your betrayal. You need to move through the 5 stages from betrayal to breakthrough to meet this person, but it's so worth it. Let me know if I can help you.